Mila and My Magic Pet Morphle can morph into anything! Let's go! Wow, cool!
Ooh, what's that?
It's my new drone. That was amazing, Jordi! Thanks. It's the best drone ever. I want that drone. Huh? My drone! It's flying by itself. Come on! Whoa! This thing's tricky to steer.
Another lovely day in Petport. Whoa, whoa! What's going on? I'll stop this menace. Whoa!
Officer Freeze! How do you control this thing?
Somebody help me!
Don't worry, Officer Freeze. We're coming for you. Quick, Morphle. Morph into a fire truck. It's okay, Officer Freeze. Grab my hand.
Thanks, you three. What is that thing?
It's my new drone, but it's flying by itself. It's not flying by itself. It's flying by Winston. Look! Stop, you silly drone! After him! What are we going to do? Morphle! Morph into a crane! Drag the bus back to safety! Good job, Morphle!
Ooh, thanks, guys. Oh, that close!
The drone! After it! Get back here! Ah! Stop! No, please! We have to get that remote control. And I know how! Morphle, morph into a helicopter! Ah! Yeah! What, you useless thing? Oh! Stay still, Morphle!
Morphle, try!
Thank you.
Hurry, Mila!
Great job, Mila. Here you go, Jordi. This is how you fly a drone. Nicely done. Every day's a magical day with a magic cat.